today.
It's foggy, it's quite grim, and this is the scene across West London at the moment. And across a good part of the south, we still do have some patches of thick fog, visibility around 100 metres, and temperature still below freezing. Now the fog will stick all day in places, and then it's going to reform more widely this evening and tonight in the south. Once again, that freezing fog returning, and still a risk of some icy patches. So still some hazardous conditions expected tonight. But after tonight, hopefully, we should have seen the worst of that. Already some changes taking place in the northwest. This Atlantic low bringing some wet, rather windy weather to the north. And through the weekend, that'll gradually sink its way southwards. In fact, possibly pulsing north again on Sunday with a risk of some heavier rain. So fog won't be a problem during the weekend. I think it's more likely to be some wet weather. And we could be looking at some localised flooding. Well, the first of those systems then has arrived in the northwest, and that will gradually sink south across Scotland and Northern Ireland this afternoon. Quite windy here. Ahead of that, though, quite a bit of sunshine around and dry as well, but where the fog sticks, staying miserable and cold this afternoon, and temperatures still around about freezing. Now this evening and tonight, as I said, the fog again becoming rather more widespread across Wales, central and southern England. Up to the north, well, no fog problems, but there'll still be some rain around and quite a strong wind as well. And it looks as though by the end of the night there'll be some heavier rain pushing in across Northern Ireland and western Scotland. Here, the wind's picking up quite a lot as well. Temperatures in the north around about 4 or 5. That's widespread frost across the bulk of England and Wales. Now tomorrow morning we see the fog in the southeast, we see the wet weather up to the northwest. Now very slowly that rain will sink southeastwards across Wales and western England, showers behind. But ahead of that rain band, well, with a bit more of a breeze tomorrow, hopefully the fog will lift into low cloud, so the visibility is improving, but a rather cold day nonetheless, and a grey one. Rain arriving in the south on Sunday, but a cheerier day in the north with blustery showers. Have a good weekend.